This is the Thor 6 Android 10 smartwatch. It's got 4 gigabytes of memory. It's got 64 gigabytes of storage. It's got a brand new Octa-Core processor in it. Really amazing technology. Music player, step count, weather, everything you need. A robust app drawer, which includes all of your phone calling, a dial market for going online to install custom watch faces, browsers and heart rate monitors and all kinds of goodies in here, and fitness section that's fully integrated with GPS so that you can do your walks, your runs, and your hiking and get tracks on it. Lots of different watch faces, dual camera, really interesting band design that's missing the holes but has the place to stick the band through, heart rate, SIM card, and an unusual charging port. Check it out. It's called the Thor 6.